In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic QR code in Canva using a URL redirect. Whether you're managing digital marketing campaigns or simply want a streamlined way to direct your audience to specific online content, dynamic QR codes offer a versatile and efficient solution. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open Canva and pull up your project. This could be anything you're working on, whether it's a flyer, poster, or any form of visual content that you'd like to enhance with a QR code. Once your project is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen to find the share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to a variety of export and sharing options that Canva provides. Once you've clicked share, you'll see a menu with different options. What we want here is towards the bottom, so click on See All to reveal a full list of additional features. This hidden menu is where you'll find many of Canva's extra tools and resources that might not always be needed but come in handy for specialized tasks like this one. Among the options that appear, you should see a QR code option. Click on QR code. This feature allows you to generate QR codes directly within Canva without needing an additional app or service. It's a very useful tool for quickly embedding a link into a physical or digital design that can be easily accessed by scanning. Now you'll need the URL that you want your QR code to redirect to. This could be anything from your website, a particular landing page, or any other web resource you want people to visit. Simply copy your desired URL and return to Canva. You'll see a field where you can paste it. So go ahead and paste your URL link into the provided space. After pasting the URL into the designated field, you'll notice an option right below it to generate your QR code. Click on Generate QR Code. Canva will now convert your URL into a QR code that can easily be embedded into your design. This dynamic aspect means that if you ever need to change where the QR code leads, you only have to update the URL and your printed materials will remain valid. And there you have it, you've successfully created a dynamic QR code in Canva. You can resize and position your QR code within your design to fit seamlessly with your creative project. This is an excellent way to make your materials interactive, enabling users to connect with your online content effortlessly. So go ahead and give it a try on your next project to experience just how easy and effective it can be. Until next time, happy designing.